We had a rainy day in Berlin. Autumn starts, leaves are on the ground.
Belly Mouse. Ay, 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 ay. Okay.
When there is light rain, Bella can do it without her raincoat, and usually she is okay with it.
So fine. Yeah. Belly Mouse. Ay, 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 ay. Fine.
We had a quick bus drive to a friend's house. During the day, the rain got heavier and we put on her raincoat.
Wait.
It's super cool.
Fine. Okay, Bella. Go on. Fine.
Her raincoat is very cute and comfy. It is not only protecting her from rain, it's also helping her regulate her temperature when it's cold outside.
Belly Mouse. Fine.
We arrived at our friend's house. She also has a dog. Her name is Priya, and we are happy to visit them. Bella was very tired and comfy, so she started immediately to sleep on the couch. And we cuddled our dogs and had a friend's dog meet up. When we went back home, it was already dark outside and it was a little rainy as well, but we had our cute yellow raincoat and so we were protected. I'm very happy that Bella is comfortable with the raincoat. She's also okay with the rain and also when it's dark outside. So she has her happy tail, and that makes me feel also very happy. You see the leaves on the ground, autumn is fully on.
Belly. What's your favorite toy? After shower. Are you drying? Yay.